Well guys, today I'm on the Carnival Dream and we're in Belize. Now this is one of them where I call it tender water shuttle in. So what I thought, since I hadn't been here in a while, I thought I would just take my camera along and I'll give you some footage of us riding the water shuttle. Then I'm gonna walk around the port in Belize, just let you see what it's like. So hey, let's go check out Belize.
Hi everyone, welcome aboard.
Well, we're on the water shuttle. There's the Dream. Still a few more getting on. Yeah, there's another one coming in. Like they're bringing a few back on board. Well, here we go. We're starting to move. Well, I think we are. He's untied us down there. And here we go. Trying to get a good picture of the Dream.
Good morning. Good morning. So sit back, relax, enjoy your journey ride, baby. And welcome aboard, guys. Welcome aboard.
I got on, I thought we was in the front of the ship. We're actually in the back. Here we are. We're on the boat headed to Belize. Dream in their rear view mirror. Yeah, looking out the side windows from where I'm sitting, looks like we're almost here. Swing around. I guess where we're going to dock right up here. Here's Belize. I've been here before, but it's been a while. Always people taking your pictures at the end. I bet a lot of people take a picture by that parrot right there. There's always a Diamonds International every pier you go to. Always a Piranha Joe's, Island Outfitters. Swing around, that's where we came from right there. All them people getting off. Well, there's the Belize sign.
Air conditioned people for you.
I think they got a little swimming pool here you can get in right behind the Belize sign.
1 hour city tour, air conditioned.
Cuba. I guess that's a cigar bar. Buy a drink. Yeah, looks like we got some indoor shopping. Guess if you want to get your hair braided, right in there. Everybody always asks about the pharmacy. They do have a pharmacy here. Not sure what all you can get there, but they do have a pharmacy. Imagine that. Water shuttle, there it is right there. Well, here's where we get back on the water shuttle to head back out to the Dream. Go by and show him our card and get on. Well, we're back. There's the old parrot. Everybody's got to get their picture made by the parrot. That's what's funny. Give you a shot of Belize from the corner of the ramp going up to the water shuttle. Well, we're back on. You can see the Carnival Dream in the distance. This is actually a double-decker water shuttle. There's the guy driving. We're up on the top. I know it's hard to tell, but it don't look near as big as the other one, but this one's double-decker. Well, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour and water shuttle ride here in Belize. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.